Hey guys, what is up? It's Cheap Nails helping you stay frugal with nail art. But before we get on to this week's awesome nail tutorial I have for you, guys, I want to thank you so much for 250 and counting subscribers. You've liked my videos, you've subscribed, you commented super nice things. Thank you guys so much. And as you can see, I'm outside today with a tree. These leaves. Yeah, the leaves. Ooh. The leaves are still the leaves are just turning here. They still kind of were a little green. So anyways, let's get on to the video, or the tutorial. Okay everybody, I'm going to be reviewing these awesome water decals that I got. I got them off of eBay for $2. I'll put the link in the description for them. And these are spring water decals, but if you see my last video, I'm trying to use them for different seasons. And I'll put that up in the I button if you want to check it out. Now, as you can see, these water decals, you get 50 sheets of cards with different water decals, and they're very pretty. And I am going to choose these roses for in this video, in this design today. And I have painted my nails this lovely like purple plum color, which I love wearing for fall. And now, the water decal has plastic on it, and we're not going to take that plastic off. We're going to leave it on, and I'm going to take my scissors. And I'm going to cut one of the images out. I'm going to cut this rose with like this black border around it. And I'm also going to cut out 2 plain roses. Okay, now we're going to take off that plastic layer I spoke about earlier. We're just going to peel that off, because if we put it in the water with that plastic on, the decal will permanently stick to that plastic. So we don't want to do that. Now I got a cap full of just plain water, and I'm going to place the water decal in there for 30 to 40 seconds. And then I'm going to fish it out with my tweezers and get my Born Pretty jelly stamper. And I'm just going to slide the card on the jelly stamper. And as you can see, it is on the jelly stamper, so when I'm going to stamp it on my nail, it's right side up and I can just look right through the jelly stamper. These decals have been really applying very nicely when I was using them, but for some reason this rose has some excess like decal on it for some reason, and I don't understand why, because the other ones are perfectly just fine. And now I'm putting some foil glue towards the tip of my nail, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this beautiful holographic foil. This foil is absolutely beautiful, and I'll link it down below in the description box. A quick tip, if your foil has just kind of some dust on the back of it, you can take a tissue and some vinegar and wipe that dust off, so it applies nice and even. And now that the glue is dried, I'm just going to gently place that on the dried foil glue. Now that that is done, I did the exact same design on my other nails, but for my middle finger, I'm going to take these single rose decals, and I'm going to take off the plastic, of course, and then I'm going to dunk it into the water for 30 to 40 seconds. And on my middle finger, I'm going to go ahead and paint that same foil glue on my nail. And then I'm going to, after that glue is completely dry, you got to wait till it's completely dry, I'm going to gently place this holographic foil over it. And then I'm just going to peel it up. And I do want some streaks to show the underneath color as well. And then I fished out those water decals out of that water. And now I'm just putting them on my jelly stamper and placing both of them on my nail. One towards the front and one towards the bottom. And now, time for a top coat. I'm going to use a water-based top coat because we do not want just normal top coat will tint your foil and kind of dull it, and we don't want that. So I'm going to use water-based top coat, and after that completely dries, I'm going to go in with a quick dry top coat. I think I would call this design a like glam fall design, because I really love wearing this color on my nails for fall. And I think adding the foil just gives it a little more bling bling. So my review for these decals is good. I think they're great. They are at affordable price and they apply very easily. You get 50 sheets. That's a lot of decals for only like $2. And I will link them down in the description box down below. And even though that these rose ones were a little harder to apply than the other ones in the other decals, they turned out just beautifully, I think. That's it for that nail tutorial. Guys, tell me, remember that? Tell me what you think down below, and I have a fall design in the I button if you want to look at that. It's up somewhere there in this region over there, I don't know. And I also have a music channel called Ascend Trend if you want to check that out. Link in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys having a great day. Thank you again so much for 250 and counting subscribers. Thank you for caring and sharing. I hope you guys share. Tell me down in the comment section what you think, and if you're having a good autumn, and if your tree leaves are, you know, dying. These are green around here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!